All right, we're gonna make some Chipotle grilled chicken thighs. All right, I've got some chilies, chipotle, tomato, jalapeno, red onion, white onion, garlic, red pepper, green pepper, and some cilantro. And so I'm gonna blend this up and make the marinade. Okay, so I was able to get everything cut up. So I cut up half the red pepper, half the red onion, half of the white onion, the whole Roma tomato that I had, the whole jalapeno, half of the green pepper, and I've got 6 cloves of garlic and half of the bunch of cilantro. So now I'm going to put all of this into the food processor. All right, so I'm putting everything into the food processor. All right, now let me get the lid on. We'll get it started. I also added half the can of the Chipotle chilies and then a quarter cup of avocado oil. And so it's processing. There it is. All right, so this is what it looks like all processed together. And so we're going to get this into a bowl. All right, I did like to add some seasoning directly to the chicken. Have the chicken in the bowl, so I'm going to add the seasoning to it. All right, so I've added the seasoning directly to the chicken. This is what it looks like. And so that was onion powder, garlic powder, and Badia Complete seasoning. This is what it looks like. Now I'm getting ready to add the marinade that I made. All right, so I've got the marinade on the chicken. Just gonna get it all mixed up. All right, so I've got everything mixed up, the chicken and the marinade combined together. And now I'm gonna cover this and put it in the refrigerator. I'm probably gonna let it sit overnight. Okay, so I've got it all covered and into the refrigerator it goes. All right, so I've got the chicken in the pan. I've let it marinate overnight in the refrigerator. So here it is cooking now. All right, I've got the cooked chicken out of the cast iron skillet. Here it is. Now I'm just going to get it all chopped up. The flavor smells so good. This is going to taste awesome. All right, I've got it all chopped up. Chipotle chicken with chicken thighs and homemade marinade. We're going to use these for burritos and bowls. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Till next time.